children. In my previous videos, I have taught you what are factors and what are multiples. In this video, I am going to teach you how to find the lowest common multiple, popularly known as LCM, of 2 and 3 numbers. Okay, 2 numbers are given to us. We have to find their multiples and we have to find their common multiples, and then we have to pick up the lowest common multiple. This is one thing I am going to teach, and another thing which I am going to teach is how to find the factors of big numbers, right? Like 60, 100. If you are told to find all the factors, many a times children feel really scared. But there is a technique to do that, which I am going to explain in this video. So let us go to our PowerPoint presentation.
Lowest common multiple of 3 and 5. Now that you already know, children, multiples are the answers in the table of any number. Today we are going to find out the lowest common multiple of 3 and 5. Now lowest means smallest. So the multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, and so on. We can go on and on and on. Multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and so on. Now children, if you pay attention, there are some numbers which are common in the table of 3 and 5 both. These numbers are 15. See, we have 15 here and 15 here too. 30. We have 30 here and 30 here too. 45. We have 45 here and we have 45 here too. So beta, common multiples of 3 and 5 are the numbers which are common in both the tables of 3 as well as 5. So they are 15, 30, 45, and so on. There are many common multiples. Even common multiples are endless, beta. Since multiples are endless, so common multiples are also endless. Now the lowest common multiple of 3 and 5 is the smallest common multiple. So obviously it is 15. So 15 is the lowest common multiple. And one more thing, common multiples of numbers are the multiples of the lowest common multiple. Don't get confused, beta. Look here. Common multiples of 3 and 5 are 15, 30, 45, and so on. Okay, please see, isn't it the table of 15? 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60, and so on. So, common multiples of two numbers are the multiples of the lowest common multiple. Okay, so 15 is the lowest common multiple, or we even call it as LCM. We also call it as LCM. So 15 is the LCM of 3 and 5, and common multiples are the multiples of 15. The numbers which come in the table of 15 are the common multiples of 3 and 5. The same thing has been explained with the help of a Venn diagram. This is called a Venn diagram. In this circle has got the multiples of 3. See, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 six are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30, 3 elevens are 33, and so on. And this circle, beta, have got multiples of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50, 5 elevens are 55, and so on. And this portion is common to both the circles, beta. So these are the common multiples of 3 and 5. And they are 15, 30, 45, and there are many more. So this is how we have explained lowest common multiples of 3 and 5. Okay, let us find out the lowest common multiples of 2, 3, and 4. Now, beta, we are going to find out the lowest common multiples of 3 numbers. That is also not at all difficult, beta. Multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, and so on. All these are even numbers, you can see that, and they are the multiples of 2. Okay, multiples of 3. 3 are 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 six are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30, 3 elevens are 33, 3 twelves are 36, and so on. Multiples of 4 are 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, and so on. Now again, the numbers which have been highlighted in red, these are the common multiples of 2, 3, and 4. Please have a look. 12 is there in all the 3 lists. See? 24 is also there in all the 3 lists, here, here, and here. Again, 36 is also there in all the 3 lists. So common multiples of 2, 3, and 4 are 12, 24, and 36. And obviously, the lowest common multiple of 2, 3, and 4 is 12, because 12 is the lowest common multiple in the list of common multiples. And again, common multiples of numbers are the multiples of the lowest common multiple. See here also, this is the list of common multiples. So 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, and so on. Again, children, this is the Venn diagram which is showing that these are the multiples of 2, these are the multiples of 3, these are the multiples of 4. Now this portion you can see that it is included in 2 also and 4 also. So these numbers are the multiples of 2 as well as the multiples of 4. This also and this also. These are the multiples of 2 as well as the multiples of 4. Now this portion, the numbers which are there in this portion, they are the multiples of 2 as well as they are the multiples of 3, because they are the part of this circle also and this circle also. Now the numbers which are there in this small portion, triangular portion, these numbers are the multiples of 2, 3, and 4. So these are the common multiples of 2, 3, and 4. So children, I hope you would have understood the lowest common multiple and its concept. Okay, now children, we are going to find out the factors of 2 big numbers. Earlier, I have shown you in our previous video, I showed you how to find the factors of numbers starting from 1 to 80. In this video, beta, I am going to show you how to find out the factors of slightly bigger numbers, for example, 60 and 100. When children look at such big numbers, they sometimes get confused. But there is a trick which I am going to teach you now. And if you follow that trick, I assure you, you will never have any problem in finding out the factors. Now, every number has a factor 1. Why? Because every number comes in the table of 1. So 1 into 60 is equal to 60. So 1 and 60 are the factors of 60. 1 is the smallest factor of 60 and 60 is the biggest factor of 60. Okay. Now children, we have to test only the tables between 1 and 60. You will be feeling worried. Oh my God, so many tables we'll have to check. Just wait and watch. Okay, after 1, the next table is 2. Since this is an even number, so it will come in the table of 2. 2 30s are 60, right? So 2 is also a factor of 60 and 30 is also a factor of 60. Now children, you have to look for numbers only between 2 and 30. There is no need to see numbers beyond 30 and below 60, like 31, 32, 33 and so on. There is no need to check those tables, beta. You need to check only the tables between 2 and 30. Okay. Now after 2, the next number is 3. Now if you divide 60 by 3, 3 2s are 6 and 0. So 3 20s are 60. So 3 and 20 both are the factors of 60. 3 20s are 60. So both of them are the factors of 60. Now children, you have to check the numbers only between 3 and 20. See, the numbers have got reduced. Earlier you were supposed to check numbers between 2 and 30. Now you have to check numbers only between 3 and 20 and their tables only you have to check. Don't worry, they will get further reduced. I'll show you now. Now 4. 4 ones are 4, 6 minus 4 is 2, 20, 4 fives are 20. So 4 into 15 is also 60. 15 fours are 60, 4 15s are 60. So 4 and 15 are also the factors of 60. Now, see children, you have to check only the numbers which are more than 4 and less than 15. So again, the numbers have reduced, right? Okay. Now, since 60 has 0 in one's place, 60 comes in the table of 5. Okay. So 5 12s are 60. Now 12 5s are 60 and 5 12s are 60. So 5 and 12 are also the factors of 60. Now beta, you have to check only the numbers which are between 5 and 12. Okay. So let us check. The next number is 6. 6. Does 60 come in the table of 6? Yes. 60 comes in the table of 6. 6 10s are 60. So 10 and 6 are also the factors of 6. Now we have to check only the numbers between 6 and 10. That means 7, 8 and 9. We have to check only 3 numbers, beta. Now 7 9s are 63. 7 8s are 56. So 60 does not come in the table of 7. Now 8 7s are 56. 8 8s are 64. 60 does not come in the table of 8. 9 5s are 45. 9 6 are 54. 9 7s are 63. So 60 does not come in the table of 9. So children, 60 comes in the table of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30 and 60. So children, these are the factors of 60. There are many factors of 60. But we don't need to worry, beta. If we find it with this trick, we will not go wrong. See, we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have gone sequentially. Okay, now let us try 100. Okay, 1 is a factor of 100. 100 is a 100. So 1 and 100 both are the factors of 100. Okay, now you can make out that it's an even number. So it comes in the table of 2. 2 50 is a 100. 2 into 50 is 100. So 2 and 50 are the factors of 100. Now you have to see that tables which lie between 2 and 50 only. You will say, ma'am, only? We will have to see so many tables. No, I'll tell you why you don't have to see so many tables. Now, children, 100 does not come in the table of 3 because 3 threes are is 9, 1 remainder 10, 3 threes are is 9, and again 1 will be remainder. So, 100 does not come in the table of 3. But it comes in the table of 4. You know, 25 fours are 100 or 4 25s are 100. So children, 4 and 25 both are the factors of 100. Okay, now 5. Obviously 100 will come in the table of 5 because there is a 0 at 1's place. So 5 20s are 100. So 5 and 20 both are the factors of 100. Okay, now 100 does not come in the table of 6. You can divide 100 by 6 and have a look at it. 100 does not come in the table of 7 also. 100 does not come in the table of 8. Children, I am doing it mentally. If you want, you can divide 100 by 6, 7, 8 and every time you will get a remainder showing that 100 does not come in the table of either 6 or 7 or 8 or even 9. 100 does not come in the table of 9 also. Now 10. 10 tens are 100. So 100 comes in the table of 10. Now you need to find out only the numbers which lie between 10 and 10. Array? No number lies between 10 and 10. So children, the factors of 10 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20, 25, 50 and 100. So children, next time you have to find the factors of a big number. Start finding out sequentially and you will not go wrong. Okay, please practice finding factors. It's very important. You will feel confident only if you find out the factors of big numbers like 40, 50, 55 and so on, 60, 65, 70. Like that, if you will find out the factors, you will feel more confident. That's all for today, children. Thank you and have a nice day.